Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tune into the Market Beast Edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. Today we're exploring ASRT, ASSERTIO Holdings Inc. I've been following this for some time. I have some lines I want to show you all. We have a very interesting message towards the end of the video. Stick around for that if you have an open mind. If you kind of cringe when I speak weird, yeah, definitely click off towards the end. It's going to be pretty interesting at the end. So we're getting to the interesting analysis here first. And also, my loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, of course, consider joining us after we go over this. So, yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's March the 22nd, 2021, and the current price of ASRT is going to be 87 cents. It's down approximately 6.3% for the day. I let everyone know that we've been following this because I'm going to pull up my original lines. It's super messy. Yeah, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at is like a bunch of weird lines on a chart. And the reason that I still have them there is because this stock has been through reverse stock. I'm assuming a reverse stock split because I even have like overhead lines. Like you see this 23, it goes all the way up to like $23. Like before the split, it was like 23. And then you see this $12 line here, the red line. So I just want to kind of show you that. And what we're going to do is we're going to start fresh. And this, so the reason that I explain that is because the message towards the end of the video is probably going to make sense. That's why I just kind of point that out really quickly. All right, so let's erase all the lines. And here's the weekly candles. And the previous level of support can be identified somewhere near this level at about 62 cents. I'm not saying it's going to get that low, but be open to that if the market does decide to continue to either flush out the weekends or continue the trend. The trend is down. Okay, let's be clear. This market is down. It's been going down forever. It doesn't look like it's ever going to stop going down. Okay, remember reverse stock splits, and then as far as the reverse stock split, it's showing at about $7.04. Okay, right here, and that took place back in August the 13th, 2018. So let's get back to where we were before we started that rubbish. And so let's just say that it doesn't get all the way down to like 62 cents. I would say that an interesting level would be somewhere like right around there. And that there is going to be at 85 cents. Okay, so if there was be any time for me to enter the market, remember me, this isn't financial advice, not your financial advisor. Please have a strategy, enter and exit the markets, take your profits and stop loss if the market goes against you. Okay, that's a disclaimer. I would actually enter somewhere here, right now, 85 cents. This would be my IDGAF method. So if this goes to zero, I'd be perfectly fine with that. Okay. We do have overhead targets. This would be like a short-term play. I would actually ride it up to, I think it was like $1.05. I realize that's like nothing compared to how other people play the markets. I get it. Let's just do a really quick measurement from the current level up to $1.05. It's about 20%. So that's beautiful. I love like kind of catching the markets for like 20-30% moves in and out. But again, it's just my IDGAF. So if it were to go up to that level, maybe I'll take profits, maybe I won't. We'll just see how it plays out, right? So that's going to wrap up the interesting analysis segment of this. You have the overhead target, the conservative target. You have the, I guess, critical level that needs to stay above 62 cents. And the potential buy-in opportunity is near the price right now is about 85 cents. So you have all that information readily available. And what was the last thing that I wanted to do? Oh, as far as the time, let's see if I can do something here. So I'll measure like this little clustered area over here. Just kind of do the time frame. So that's 112 days. So let's just say starting from this candle right here, this buyer's commitment candle, February the 8th, 2021. Let's just stretch it on over what we say 112 days or something like that. Short-term memory loss. Let's say it's stretch it on over to June the 1st, 2021. So if the consolidation needs a little bit more time to reverse this downtrend, you're talking about June the 1st, 2021. It needs more time to consolidate to make its next move. Either continue the trend to the downside. The trend is your friend until the end. Yes. Or if there's a reversal taking place here, of course, it'll break above that 105 cent level sometime before or just after June the 1st, 2021. Let's get to this interesting segment. Yeah, go ahead and click off. Thank you for stopping out. For those of you, my former listeners, yeah, have a good day there. But I'm going to get a little rugged here, so to speak. And I want everyone to know that I do not believe in any stocks. Somebody say, what are you talking about, bro? I believe in my stocks. What are you talking about? You don't believe in stocks. here's the reason why I don't believe in any stocks. Let's just say that you done your research, right? You done your research on this company and you invested back here. And I don't know, let's just say you brought in at like September the 24th, 2018. You've done you've done your fundamental research. You say, yeah, man, this is an awesome company. They have a lot of good things going. So that's where you put in your money, and you just kind of put in your, what was it, like $100,000. Yeah, like, you know what? I really believe in this company. Guys, and before we move forward, I'm not saying don't believe in companies. I'm saying don't solely base holding on to an asset or investing in a company just based off belief, because I'm telling you, that's going to get you in some trouble. And I'm going to explain why I say that. Okay. But definitely, if you've done your research, I would prefer, remember, I can't give you financial advice, but I would prefer that you do some sort of technical research in conjunction with your fundamental research after not before, right? You put your hard-earned capital or the money that somebody gives you. I'm not sure your money situation, right? In this market. So you got 100K right here at $6 even. You're like, oh yeah, this stock is going to the moon. That, the cliche everybody says, to the moon. We don't say to the moon over here. We say something different. We used to say it, but not anymore. So you put your money in and the market's just starting to bleed out or go down, whatever you want to say. So the market is continuing down. These are weekly candles, by the way. And you're like, yeah, I've done my research. This market is going to $20. I'm going to make like whatever X on my money. Okay. And then the market is continuing down. Let's speed it up a little bit here. And the only thing that the person who invested into this market is holding on to is their belief. This is the guy right here. He's right here. He has muscles. He's done his research. And he's saying, yeah, this market is going to $20. Okay. And the market is continuing to bleed out on him, right? Right now, the market is down 35%. He's like, I'm not listening to you, Napoleon. I'm going to hold on to my asses because I believe in this company. So he's still holding. He's like, yeah, you see, I told you this market was going to go back up. You are an idiot, bro. The market is going all the way back up to where I bought it, and it's going to blast off to the upside. So he's still holding on to his asses as the market has gone down a total of, let's just say, what is this, 31%. So his total investment has gone down $30,000. So he had about $70,000, of course, until right now, where he think the market is going to go back up and pass his investment and, of course, go to higher levels. Why? Because he believes. Let me just put that on the chart as well. I'm sure I'm going to spell this wrong, guys. I don't care. I believe in, obviously we have spell check. That's good. I believe in this company. Okay, so that's what he is. That's what he believes. He believes in this company and it's going up. He's like, ha ha ha, LOL, Napoleon. I told you this was a great company. Look at it. It's going back up right now. You see, I told you. No one should listen to this guy. He's a weirdo. Don't listen to him. The market is going up. I told everyone I'm a genius. You see how the market is going back up? And the only thing that he's holding on is to that he believes, right? So the market went all the way back up to like 564. And it may actually get a really nice test on where he bought in. But it's going back down now. So he's like, yeah, I don't care. The market is going back down. I don't care. It's going back up. I believe in this company. So what I'm getting at is, it sounds kind of weird, right? Guys, please have some sort of strategy in conjunction with believing in these companies. I hear a lot of people saying, I believe in this company. I believe in this company. So the market is going down against him. The market is down on him right now where he invested. And what it does is it pushes back up to make you to get you to say, okay, yeah, it's going to go back up. That's why you have like these little pushes in the market, these little dead cat bounces. But the only thing that's going on is it's finding resistance at the previous level of support. If I put this line right here. So that's all the market, you see, and the market is just going against him. And the only thing that he's holding on to right now is he believes in the company. The market is down, right? Let's just see how much the market is down from his total investment. It's all the way down 77%. What is he saying? Say it with me. I don't care what Napoleon says. I believe in this company. I'm not selling my asses until I die. That's what he keeps saying because he believes in this company. He's been convinced that this market is going to go to a specific level. I know that's not a word. It's a joke. A specific level. So he's holding on to his assets. Assets is what I'm saying, guys. It's not a curse word. So he's down on his investment. A total of, right now, what is it? 86%. What is that? 100K turned into, I don't know, $14,000. What do you think this guy up here is saying? Okay, I'm sure he's intelligent. I'm not saying he's like an idiot, right? He just doesn't have a strategy in conjunction with his belief. What do you think he's saying right now? Say it with me. I don't care what Napoleon says. I'm not selling my asses until I die. I believe in this company. That's what he's saying. The only thing he's holding on to is that weird explanation. He believes in the company. Guys, don't solely base your market entries and exits based on you believing in a company. And look, the market just made a new low, right? You see that? The only thing he's saying, you already know what he's saying. We'll say it one more time and we'll cut it out. Please say it with me. I believe in this company. I don't care what Napoleon Macro says. I am not selling my asses until I die. And right now, his total investment, let's just pause it out here. His total investment on his $100,000, because he solely believed in the company and didn't have anything else in conjunction with his belief, quote in quotations, system, his belief strategy, 86% down. So his total investment from $100,000 is worth $14,000 because he believed in the company. This message is just to, I know it sounds kind of weird and it's probably a little bit offensive, but it's a truly, at the end of the day, guys, ignore what I say. Take it into consideration, the things that I say, but ignore me at the end of the day because I'm super offensive, right? But I just want everyone to at least have an open mind and be open to market volatility in either direction, that's up or down. It doesn't matter. We'll just kind of play it out here and just close out the video because I don't like to see people lose money, right? This guy is still holding on to this asset. Maybe the market is gonna go back up. Yeah, sure, of course. But why hold on to an asset between 2018 all the way over to present day 2021 to turn $100,000? So that means you lost money. If you think you made money by holding on to an asset from 2018 and you get to break even, because as soon as it gets up to this level, what is he gonna do? He's selling. He's not waiting until it goes to $20. He's been down on his investment for 2 or 3 years. The only thing he wants to do is get out. He still believes in the company, but at this point he's been through enough pain where he just wants out. You'll be lucky if he sells, at a 50% loss. He just wants to walk away with some type of dignity. Okay, so the moral of this story is do not solely base your market entry, exits, and holding on, diamond handing these assets because you believe in the company. Look, it's going lower. You see that? So we'll just close it out here, guys. I think that the total was like, if I measured it right, it was like 90 something percent to the downside. Yeah, now you're at 92% to the downside. So the total investment from $100,000 when as low as $8,000. Guys, don't do that. Don't do that. Serious. Have something in conjunction. I can't tell you what to do, but me personally, I would not just believe in the company. Okay, I hear people saying that all the time. I believe in the company. I don't care what Napoleon Macro says. I'm holding my asses until I die. I'm not doing that, guys. I enter the market. I exit the market. I'm not rich. Okay, I'm not a millionaire, but I've been successfully able to increase the portfolio, even small increments like 0.02% every month. That's not a lot, right? But I'm still new to this. I'm not trying to risk a lot of money and lose. I'm doing this as a sport. This is just kind of a joke to me, honestly, until I develop a strong enough strategy where I see it has been implemented over and over and over, and then I'll start executing big moves in the market. So yeah, guys, I'm not rich, guys. I'm poor, actually. No, I'm not poor. I don't think. Either way, let's cut it out. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb. Hopefully this was a useful message towards the end. Appropriate thumb on the video there if you enjoy the content. Also leave a comment to support the channel. That's all we ask. If this was of some interesting information. If you've ever been in a situation like this where you've just done your fundamental research and you're just saying you're not listening to Napoleon, you're holding on to your asses, you're not selling till you die, let me know that down in the comments section. And also, yeah, if you're new, we also cover the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. So subscribe with us, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. We covered everything, guys. Yes, you made it to the end. Take care. Out we go. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.